maintenance planner, the senior planner in this company. I ensure that the aircrafts are airworthy. That means that I have to check the ADs, that are the airworthiness directives. They don't run overdue. Ensure the maintenance checks is planned for. They don't run overdue. The components in the aircraft, that is the hard time components, they don't run overdue. In other words, it's just to make the aircraft airworthy. Ensuring that aircraft is airworthy, that there's nothing, we don't have any incident. I feel good about it if everything is in place. I feel, at least I go home feeling that I've done something, that we've not have any incident or any accident, not because of me, but because of the work that I must do and the one that I love to do. And I'm a mother. So when it is work time, when I'm in work, I will focus with what I'm doing. When I leave the company to my home, I focus for what I've found in my home. So I try to balance them, like I'm supposed to do whatever I'm supposed to do at the right place, at the right time. There's a stereotype that aviation industry is for men. So you'll find in many of the companies, they value so much what men do. So women are somehow discriminated, but there are jobs that a woman can do and do it very well. But since there is a man there, they look down upon the lady. So that is one of the challenges. In 748, we are treated equally. There's no way you'll find that men have some favors. Actually, this is one of the companies that I must appreciate the employer.